Hello, this is Anita White with Love Your Art. Glad to have you back with me again. Those of you who are new, welcome. So happy to have you as a new subscriber. We welcome you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, as you know, we like to get started right away. And what we have here today is a 18 by 24 inch canvas that's gallery wrapped. I've gone ahead and already put in our base color, which is the Artist Loft Floetrol Black. It's mixed with Floetrol and water. In fact, all our paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. And today we have a pour that we're going to do that's going to be black and white using our amazing little pouring cup here with dividers. And what I'm intending to do is to put the Artist Loft Floetrol White in the actual center of this split cup, along with the Mars Black. Here we have it, Blickrylic Mars Black. And let me get the other color, just a second. We're using Amsterdam Titanium White in our pour today. So what I have here is the canvas already layered with the Artist Loft Floetrol Black. I'm going to pop the air bubbles, looking for any unwanted debris or low areas that we need to make sure we have covered. And we're going to get that taken care of as quick as possible. Always want to be sure you can pop the air bubbles so you can have a flawless canvas to begin with, but you also want to look for any debris that may have fallen into the paint through Floetrol or any dried paint, any foreign objects, hairs, anything like that. So you want to get that all out before you can put any other paint on the canvas. So as I said, we'll be using this Artist Loft Floetrol White mixed with Floetrol and water, and it's going to go into the very center of our flip cup. And that's what I'm doing now, is just filling up that center space. This is a 5 split cup, and we may have to use more than one round of this, just depending on how much we get to fill up our canvas. We are going to go ahead and start with putting the Artist Loft, actually this is the Blickrylic Black, Mars Black, right inside the cup as well. Let's see, we want to have black, we want to have white, black, white, black, white. So white, black, we need to have Mars go right here. And we're trying to fill the cup up about even in each of our slots. We're also going to have some Mars Black on the other side of it. It's the only black we're using other than the base color black, which is again the Artist Loft Floetrol Black. And what we'll do with the Amsterdam, this is the Amsterdam Titanium White. It's going to go on the outside corners of this split cup, the outside dividing sections of the cup. So let's do that now. Kind of fill up both sides. Again, about even with each of these areas. See, I'm filling this up. You can now see what I've done. It's nice and full and nice and heavy. So we're going to put just a little bit more of the Artist Loft Floetrol white into the center cup slot. So we have about an even amount. Okay, so there you have it. Titanium white by Amsterdam, Blickrylic, Mars Black, Artist Loft Floetrol white, Mars Black by Blickrylic, Amsterdam titanium white. We're going to begin by putting this cup in our hands and pouring. Let's get you a little closer in so you can see. Okay. Here we have it. We're going to start pouring this out in the center and see where it takes us. Okay? Just really just trying to do a straight pour right on into the center. It's looking really good. We're letting the paint take its place on the canvas. Again, we may or may not need to refill the split cup. There's quite a bit of paint in here, and we're emptying it out. Getting the black and the white to go across this canvas as much as we can. It's looking really good right now, and hopefully we can keep it looking good. Just a straight pour of these colors into the canvas. It's making for a nice, beautiful ring so far. We want to reach in as far as we can, tilting this to get as much of that paint out as possible. This cup holds quite a bit of paint, I think 18 ounces. So we are looking to see what we can get out of that. Every bit of it out as much as possible. Okay, we'll cap it off at that. So far we have a nice beautiful red, black and white ring. And we're going to take our torch and torch the air bubbles. Quite a few air bubbles in this. Sometimes I torch, sometimes I don't. Sometimes the air bubbles will just move on out when you move it. But we had quite a few, so we'll see what happens with that. And again, I'm going to take some of the Artist Loft Floetrol black. Just put a little bit on our edges here to help with movement. Because we're going to take and tilt this and hopefully create a design that we can be pleased with. All right. This is going to be quite the undertaking because this is an 18 by 24 inch canvas and it actually has weight on it now that we've got more paint on it. Yep. And we're going to work to ensure that we have a design that we like. So we're going to go to the lower left corner right now, pulling off some of that black, and then we're moving to the center again, trying to keep it together. Back to that center. We're going to go to that upper right-hand corner and push it off on that edge as well. Whoa, 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 it's going. Okay, and try to pull it back to the center. That's nice. And back. So far we are looking really, really good. We could stop here if we'd like, because that's a really neat design. I like it. Hope you do too. Okay, let's see. What do we want to do here? Do we want to move it more, or do we want to see where we can go? Getting it stretched out a little more off that edge. Maybe just a bit more, because there's a lot of paint on there going off that corner. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, we're gonna let this settle for a minute. Just set it down, and whew, it's heavy on the arms, let me tell you. Well, it is amazingly pretty. I like it. We have black and white, we have black and white mixed in, streams of gray because of the mixture of the black and white. I'm loving this design here. We got some of that same design on that end. Negative space on both sides. I like it. Really, really do. Okay, we'll put you on pause for a moment and bring you in to give you a chance to see what you think. We're looking at each of the sides to make sure everything's nice and covered. And we're going to make certain that we take care of getting all the paint off the edges. I like this quite a bit. Okay, bring you in. And here it is, guys. Close-up time. As you can see, we've got these nice black and white striations throughout. Beautiful, beautiful color. Black and white blending in, making that gray. And the richness of the color design inside. Look at that. How pretty it is. All the colors flowing nicely with the black and the white. Creating a beautiful design. Love it. Again, this is the Amsterdam titanium white along with the Blickrylic Mars black. You can see the sides here on this one. And again, let's see, get my finger out of the way on this one. Nice and smooth all the way over to the black. You can also see how those striations are coming in now from this angle. Really, really pretty. And off to the side here. Just remember, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. You want to be informed as to when we have our next video upload each and every time. Try to do it, well, twice within a 7-day period, but at least once a week, depending on how busy we are. And here's the other side. Let us know what you think. Leave us a comment and like and subscribe. Share if you like to as well. So until next time, keep loving your art. Have a great day. Stay safe, and we'll see you on our next video upload. Thanks for joining me. Bye now.